In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund Semrush. If you found yourself needing to cancel your Semrush subscription and request a refund, don't worry, I've got you covered in this detailed step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser, locate the search bar, and type in Semrush. Hit enter, and you should see the official Semrush website appear in your search results. Click on it to access the site. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find options to either log in or sign up. If you're already a member, click on Log In, or if you're new and exploring this option for the first time, proceed with Sign Up to create an account. After logging in, you'll notice your account details represented by your name's initial at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on this initial. This will open a drop-down menu where you can manage your account settings. Take a moment to explore the menu options if you like, but our main focus today is canceling your recurring payments and current subscription. Locate the subscription management option in this menu. Here, you can cancel any active subscriptions and ensure that automatic payments won't continue being charged. It's an important step as it guarantees no future unexpected costs. Having canceled your subscription, the next step involves reaching out to Semrush support. Customer service is key here, as they are the ones who will process your cancellation and any potential refund. You can typically find contact information on their website under a Support or Help section. You might have the choice of contacting them directly through live chat, email, or even telephone, depending on what they provide. Choose the communication method that suits you best and initiate contact with a concise, polite statement of your situation. Now, if you're within their 7-day cancellation window, it's crucial to be clear and direct in your communication. Articulate explicitly that you are requesting a refund within their stipulated period. This clarity will expedite the process and leave no ambiguity about your intentions. They might ask for specific account details or reasons for the cancellation to proceed with the refund, so be prepared to provide those promptly. By following these steps carefully, you'll be well on your way to successfully securing a refund from Semrush. Remember, being courteous but clear in your communications can make all the difference. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides and tips to help navigate your online subscriptions effortlessly.